music class. Okay, before we Parahman and Tubi already see each other in the online session, but unfortunately for 2A, you have missed the class because of the assembly, right? Okay, so now I just going to repeat what we did in the online session before, especially for year 2A. Okay, so you'll know what's going on before. Okay, so this introduction session, I'm just going to explain about what we are going to do for year 2. In the first topic that we are going to talk about is about 7-note study. 7-note study. Okay, if you remember, when we are in the year 2, we did 5-note study. Okay, hopefully you still remember this. Five-note study. Okay, there you go. Okay, anyone remember what was the first note? Yes, it's C. And how we sing it? Okay, we sing it in Do. Okay, as Do. And the second note, this note is, yes, D note. The third note, E. Fourth, F. And the fifth one is G. Okay, and how we sing it? We did this in Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Okay, and it sound like this. Correct? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. Okay, so we did this already, right? Now we are continuing doing this, not 5 notes anymore. We are going to do 7 notes study. So there are 7 notes. Yes. Okay, the first note, C, second D, third E, F, fourth, fifth is G. Okay, now the additional note is these 2 new notes, and I'm going to add one more here. You will know why I add this. Okay, the next note that we are going to do is A, B, and we close these 7 notes with another C on the top, which is the high C. Okay, don't forget, high C must have a dot on the top in the letter. Okay, so it will sound like this. Okay, so it's Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Okay, some of you might already know this because Pak Raman already teach you about Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do when you were in prep senior class, right? Okay, so that's about 7-note study. Okay, for the other topic that we are going to do is time signature. Time signature, like in the class before, I told you that when you hear time, of course it's about numbers, right? So, okay, come here, Ibu Winda. So, time signature, in the music paper, you will always see a time signature is a number which is next to this treble clef. Do you remember this treble clef? Yeah, we did this in year 1. We were drawing treble clef, right? Okay, so time signature is always going to be next to this treble clef. It appears like numbers like that, numbers that stack together like this, or like this, or like this. It's always like that, they stack together. Okay, don't worry a lot about that. Pak Rahman will tell you this later in the class. Okay. Okay, and for the other topic, we are going to do composing simple rhythm. Okay, when you're going to compose simple rhythm, of course you have to know about note values. Note values, something like this. The value of each note. Okay, so this one is whole note, half note, quarter note, and eighth note. I'm going to explain this more further in the class. This is about note values, where you are going to use this for composing simple rhythm. And the other topic is going to be oral skill. Oral skill is the ability to hear a note, and you can guess what the note is, or the interval of the notes. Okay, for example, I'm playing do to re. Okay, Pak Rahman, I'm going to give you an example. For example, I do, and I'm going to ask you, okay, what was the note before? Did you hear do to re, or do to mi, or do to fa, and so on and so on? And you have to answer it. You have to guess. And that was do to re. Let's try another one. How about this? Can you guess? Okay, what was that? Is it do to re, or do to mi, do to fa, or do to sol? That was do to sol. Okay, so that's oral skill, and ability to hear notes. Okay, and for the next topic, the last topic is about singing. Okay, singing just standard, just like what we did in year 1. Okay, and perhaps sing a national songs, or children's songs, or traditional songs, something like that. Okay, students, we are going to do a bit review of your previous lesson from year 1 before. You remember that we did the 5 notes, right? Okay, now we are going to do a game on it. It's called call and respond. So when I call, you hear it, and then you respond it back. Okay. For example, I'm going to play the note in here. It's going to be only 5 notes. Okay, it's do, re, mi, fa, sol, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. When I do one note here, for example, like this. Okay, that means I call it, you hear it, and then you respond it back over there. You have to play the same note. And when you did that, it means you were correct. Okay, let's do it. Ready? Have you got your pianica with you? Okay, let's start. Number 1, I'm going to call it. Hear it, respond it. One more time. Good job. Okay, another one. Let's try it. One more time. Yes, good job. Okay, let's try two more. Get ready, it's gonna be more difficult. One more time. Respond it. Yes. Good. Okay, last one. Get ready, last one. Okay, maybe you need one more time. Yeah! Good job! Okay, that's all for today, and that was all the topics that we did today. The introduction of the session, the introduction session of what we are going to do in year 2, and a little bit review of your year 1 study. So I'll see you next week in offline lesson, and the week after for the online session. Okay, bye bye.